Hey y'all, it's Plan with Casey. So I am so excited. I got my Erin Condren Daily Duo. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's just so, yes. Okay, so I had to wind up doing a voiceover because I deleted it and there was a bunch of noise in the background. So yeah, I'm kind of a little disappointed when I'm opening up the box. Like, this is the first time I've opened it. I promise I did not open it or anything. And everything was kind of like just shoved in there. So for this to be my first box ever from Erin Condren, I was kind of disappointed, not going to lie. And my box was kind of damaged a little bit, like it was squished. I mean, I do live in Kentucky, and I think it came from California. I could be totally wrong. But I got some little goodie stuff. That's like the stickers, not stickers, like the to and from. I got some coupons. And then here is, well, kind of almost the beauty. There's another card. It's got like for a new customer and then the 20% off. This is a little snap-in thing that I got. I can't wait to start using that stuff. But anyways, I got some... Let's see. This is just another thing that came with it. And then that pretty flower thing right there. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking cute, you guys. I just can't. Okay, so let's get into this. This is the little coupon thing. I'm not for sure how the free snap-in covers work. So if you guys know how that works, please let me know. Because this is my first rodeo. But that right there is my pick. That's the one that I picked. And oh my gosh, it is so freaking cute. It's everything and more. You were able to choose the colors and it just looks so darling. Oh, I'm going to flip through and I'm just admiring it at the moment because, like I said, this is the first time I've ever ordered from Erin Condren, and I'm just looking at all the goodies. Here's some of the extra stickers that comes with it. Sorry if y'all hear cars going by. I'm doing the voiceover on the porch because the kids are still crazy. And cars drive by. But anyways, these are the little other goodie stuff that I got. Stickers, the thank you cards, and all that. But hang on, I promise I'm going to get back to that planner. Oh my gosh, it's just stay tuned. Bada bing, bada boom, she's beautiful. Here she is, all in her glory. Pink, purple, and blush, I think that is. I could be wrong on those colors. I'm not for sure, but just hang on. I'm getting ready to show you. And then that's the other one. That's for 2021. And of course, I'm always putting stuff upside down. I don't know why I do that. I just do. Oh, I'm just taking a gander. I'm just so excited, y'all. Can't wait to start planning in it. Okay. Any day now, Casey. Let's lay this down. Yes, let's start going through this big bad girl. I'm just noticing there's like a barcode. I don't know if that is supposed to be there. If that barcode is supposed to be in that bottom left corner down there on that side, please let me know. I don't think it is. But this is just like a flip through of what the planner looks like. Of course, I am missing some months because I ordered it late. So July, August, and September, of course. So I might use those for like different planning ideas. I'm going through just a few pages of the weekly to show you what it looks like. And then I'll go through in the monthly. This paper I've never used before. And I really like this paper. Sorry for that horn in the background. Horn. I didn't say what you thought I said, I promise. This paper, I really like it, actually. So it makes me kind of, I don't know, give up Happy Planner? No, I can't do that. I like the disc bound. But I'm just skimming through, showing you what the monthly, what they say, and what the colors and everything. Of course, if you're an Erin Condren girl, you already know all this, what it looks like. I'm new to the game, y'all. So, I can't, let's see. I skimmed through the other one. I don't really go too big in detail. But this is my Erin Condren Daily Duo. I like the stickers, the folder. Also have like the little contact thing that's in the back. That was a plus because I wasn't expecting to get that. Hang on a second and I will show you when I find it. Dun da da dun da da da. There's those lovely stickers. I don't know if I'll really use them because I mean, I might. I can't say I never will because I don't know. I like the birthday stickers. And then I really like those. I will probably use those for sure. For shizzle, my nizzle. So there's my folder. And then right there, I was like, oh my gosh, what is this? I was just so excited because I was not expecting to get that. And I was like, oh, yay. I got something else. Woohoo. So yeah, that was a plus. I was not expecting that at all. And then there's the back cover. Those lovely flowers. So I'm going to stop rambling. Of course, you know, this is the other one. You've probably seen a dozen plus more of these. This is set up just the exact same way. Like I said, this is the first Erin Condren I've ever had. And I really like this paper. Like, it feels so smooth. It almost feels like cardstock paper, if that makes sense. But it's not as thick. Oh, well, I guess I do skim through. And then I was hoping there was going to be another thing in the back, like a little surprise, like a little sticker book or something. But there wasn't. But that's okay. There's always next time. But if you are new to my channel, I hope you think about subscribing. Like I've said in the past couple videos, once I hit 100 subscribers, I am going to be doing a giveaway. The sky is the limit. It could be anything. Planner related, anything, for real. Gift cards, etc. So I hope you think about sticking around and subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the family, a part of the plan. Okay, y'all, I'm going to stop rambling and I will see you guys in the next video. Look forward to my Plan With Me's coming up with the new Daily Duo, Erin Condren. And, of course, I use the Happy Planner. This is also, I want to throw at you guys this washi tape that I got through Erin Condren. I just cannot tell y'all bye. I'm sorry. Like, I'm just so excited. But I promise, this is the end. I hope y'all think about subscribing, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.